Joyful Soul Story Time.
This book is called Banjos Garden, illustrated by Matt Cosgrove, published by Weldon Kids Proprietary Limited. Hi, my name is Banjo. Come and see my garden. There are lots of flowers in my garden. There certainly are. Look at all these different flowers. I love the daffodils, Banjo. These are the daffodils, these yellow ones. I love rolling in the soft green grass. Oh, look at the lady beetle's face. They said, "Don't squash my friends, Banjo." I don't think Banjo will. My roses smell beautiful. Watch out for the thorns, Banjo. Ah, that's right. Roses have thorns. See these spiky bits? You do have to be careful for them. I love growing my own vegetables. Look at all the different vegetables here. Carrots, lettuce, radishes, cauliflowers, celery, corn, tomatoes. And there's a scarecrow too. The lady beetle says, "The snails love your vegetables too, Banjo." Oh dear. Oh, there's one there. And another one there too. Oh, and another one. Get out of my pansies, Rusty. Oh dear, what's Rusty doing? He's trying to find his bone, Banjo. Ah, I see. Banjo's making a lovely shape with his hedge. It looks like a snail, doesn't it? This is my bird bath. And look at all these animals here. Lorikeet, galah, cockatoo, kookaburra. Wow. And the lady beetle says, "Hi, everybody." I love working in the garden and digging with my trowel. This is a trowel. It's a gardening tool. And there's a wheelbarrow. And the lady beetle says, "Don't miss those weeds, Banjo." Yeah, look at all these weeds. My gum tree is the biggest tree in my garden. Ah, beautiful. And look at that kookaburra. What a comfortable branch. And the lady beetle says, "It's nice and shady under here, Banjo." Oh, and there's a lizard too. Look at the spider's beautiful web. Don't touch, Banjo. Yeah, it's a good idea not to go near spiders, just in case. I water my garden every day. Oh, Banjo, that is great. Plants, trees and flowers definitely need water, don't they? What a lovely garden. And look, he found his bone too. The end.